The extreme cold we face in Colorado can put a big demand on your furnace. Here are the top 5 furnace issues in the winter. Number 1, a dirty air filter. Clogged filters can cause a lot of problems. A dirty air filter can lead to poor airflow through your ducts. This could cause your entire HVAC system to stop working altogether. Number 2, thermostat problems. Is your furnace cycling on and off? Problems with your thermostat could keep your furnace from adequately heating your house. Make sure your thermostat is set to a temperature a few degrees below the current temperature. Check if you need to change the thermostat's batteries. It could be your thermostat may need to be calibrated. Call DALCO Heating and Air for a quick thermostat repair. Number 3, dry air. Dry air can make it feel colder than it really is. You can improve indoor humidity levels with a humidifier. Number 4, your furnace is slow to heat. Your daytime temperature may be set too low, causing your furnace to take a long time to heat your home back up at night. Or you may have an old or failing furnace. Consider replacing it with a high-efficiency heating system. Number 5, you've lost heat from a power loss. You should check for a possible power outage or a tripped breaker. Whatever the problem is, DALCO is here to help. For 24/7 emergency repair, call on DALCO Heating and Air Conditioning. Call 303-979-7541.